運碼頭，為咗你嘅安全，喺船隻停泊之前，請你留喺座位上。已託運行李嘅乘客，請憑認領票前往行李認領處取回行李。喺落船之前，請記得帶齊你嘅所有個人財物。請先讓豪華位嘅乘客落船。多謝乘搭噴射飛航，我哋希望好快可以再次為你服務。Ladies and gentlemen, we will soon be arriving at Macau Maritime Ferry Terminal. For your own safety, please remain seated until the vessel is properly berthed. Passengers with check-in luggage, please collect luggage at the luggage request counter by presenting luggage identification tag. Do ensure that you have all your personal belongings with you before leaving the vessel. Please allow passengers on super class to disembark first. Thank you for traveling with TurboJET. We look forward to serving you again soon. 各位乘客，我们即将抵达澳门外港客运码头。为了您的安全，在船只停泊之前，请您留在座位上。已托运行李的乘客，请凭认领票前往行李认领处取回行李。在下船之前，请谨记携带您的所有个人财物。请先让豪华位的乘客下船。多谢乘搭喷射飞航，我们希望很快可以再次为您服務。
有兩支不盡嘅天然能源，抬頭望要見到。順便提你，海立坊而家推出咗好多半價同免費中西美食，每半小時仲有大抽獎。落咗船記得先嚟海立坊嘆下啦！海立坊客戶主任喺碼頭門口歡迎你。乘客如需登岸協助服務，請與船上職員聯絡。Should you need any assistance for disembarkation, please contact our staff.
乘客如需登岸协助服务，请与船上职员联络。喺落船之前，請記得帶齊你嘅所有個人財物。Do ensure that you have all your personal belongings with you before leaving the vessel. 在下船之前，请谨记携带您的所有个人财物。
各位乘客，為閣下安全起見，請於登船或離船時緊握扶手，避免船隻因大浪搖晃時失去平衡。多謝合作。Ladies and gentlemen, for your own safety, please hold tight the handrail during embarkation and disembarkation to keep your balance. As the vessel may encounter heavy motion, thank you for your cooperation. 各位乘客，为阁下安全起见，请于登船或离船时紧握扶手，避免船只因大浪摇晃时失去平衡。多谢合作。喺落船之前，請記得帶齊你嘅所有個人財物。Do ensure that you have all your personal belongings with you before leaving the vessel. 在下船之前，请谨记携带您的所有个人财物。
你嗰啲淨係可以準備落船前經攞齊你咁多位。
於登船或離船時緊握扶手，避免船隻因大浪搖晃時失去平衡。多謝合作。
Ladies and gentlemen, for your own safety, please hold tight the handrail during embarkation and disembarkation to keep your balance. As the vessel may encounter heavy motion, thank you for your cooperation.
各位乘客，为阁下安全起见，请于登船或离船时紧握扶手，避免船只因大浪摇晃时失去平衡。多谢合作。喺下船之前，請記得帶齊你嘅所有個人財物。Do ensure that you have all your personal belongings with you before leaving the vessel. 在下船之前，请谨记携带您的所有个人财